decided to take a drive today and go check out Lake Mathews and see what the water looks like at the end of summer in 2023. We had a very heavy winter, one of the heaviest in a long time. So I'm hoping, we've been gone for 6 months, so we don't know what any of the lake's conditions look like around here. So we wanted to get a look at it and share it with everybody if everybody else has got an interest the same as we do. Oh wow, it's nearly full.
Yeah.
This is awesome. It's nearly full and it's the end of summer. And the comparison from last year is going to be very significant.
Very beautiful.
In 1/10 of a mile, make a U-turn.
Oh, I can't see the color running through your veins, and I can't breathe, and everything you do is pain. Love me. Oh, I can't see the color running through your veins, and I can't breathe when everything you do is pain. Oh, I can't see the color running through your veins, and I can't breathe when everything you do is pain. Love me.
I've been counting down the days to get out. I've been looking for a way from this town. And you're too far away to help me now. So I'm counting down the days to get out. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead, fly from the end. So I'm full speed ahead. sun in my eyes. I've been keeping on the run every night. But you're too far away to see the signs. So I'm staring at the sun till I'm dry. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead, far from the end. So I'm full speed ahead.
This is the narrowest part of Lake Mathews. I don't think it had water out this far last year. This is a pretty good gain. The full area around Lake Mathews has a chain link fence around it to keep people out. It's very big, but they don't want people in there swimming or doing recreational stuff because this is a drinking water reservoir for all of Southern California. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the views here at Lake Mathews. It's a beautiful area, and I'm so happy to see that everything is full, or it's like only a foot and a half low. That's really good for being the end of the summer. So if you like our content, please reach down to the bottom right down here, smash that like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. Out.